Blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please remember to hit that like, comment, and make us share this video out. Alright, this video, I wanna say, I slow it down. I'm gonna try to see if it can play upon YouTube because this video is very disturbing, guys. It's alleged that this man, baby mother, bring him to court for child support. I don't know what went down in the courthouse, but it's alleged that on his way out, him track her down, and this is what he did, guys. He gave her some, let me tell you, he deal with her way up on the road, guys. He kick in her face, everything, guys, jeez. He deal with her somewhere. That come like when you go to school and you and somebody a fight. You understand? The man deal with her somewhere, guys. The man kick her up on the ground, and she drop and she cry and she bawl. You know? Sorry, the video is so disturbing, guys. I could have put it on YouTube because YouTube I go block it. If nobody want him, I go pin the WhatsApp number and you can see the video. It's all over social media. But geez, if he might do this in public and the person who have video, it's tell himself to stop. And I ask her if she know him. So imagine behind closed door. Ladies, you have to be careful. I know I have no baby father, but some of the time when you know do some things, you have to be careful. Because if you know the type of baby father you have, you try deal with it and try deal with the thing on a different level because the man ain't no business. You understand? I see the video and when I see it, I say, Jano star. Like, woman is nothing. The man deal with the girl away, guys. I sympathize with her. Swear. Sympathize with her. Well, I hope this video reach the police. I know them gonna arrest him. When the judge said this, the judge are gonna fling a book on him. It just make matters worse. You understand? Enough Jamaican man have a style, them not love mind pitney. So when them fi deal with it by law, it's like them a tell themselves say, baby mother offend me and blah 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 da 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 da. No, mind on the youth, man. Mind on the youth. But you know, guys, the video itself speak a lot about how man treat woman in a Jamaica. Not all man, some man. You know? So it is what it is. So anyway, big up on yourself. Happy Friday. Remember, if you don't want to see the video, me pin your WhatsApp, me share it in the group. You don't know. Alright, bless up on yourself. Happy Friday. We talk again.